Alright, welcome back. We're going to do something a little different today. Now I want to make it clear I'm not trying to put down any other YouTuber or any other guy out there trying to port a chainsaw and make timed cuts to demonstrate before and after, or just the difference between one brand of saw or the next, or one model. What I'm going to try to do is demonstrate why rocking the saw back and forth is so inefficient, and it's always going to give you a slower cut time. For one, it's really hard to be consistent. That's one thing. The next is, when you rock the saw back, you're lifting the bar out of the wood, the teeth out of the wood, so they're just free spinning. As you can see right here, all these teeth are in the wood cutting. They're doing work. They are removing wood. They are moving wood out of the way. When we rock the saw back, watch what happens. That's why you hear the saw unload in these videos, because it's not doing anything. This chain is free spinning mostly. You are recutting some of the wood you already cut, because it is rubbing against the side. There is pressure there. You have one or two teeth cutting. Now sure, that increases as you cut, but not until you get all the way back down here are all these teeth going to be working. That's a really inefficient way to cut through a log. It is not the way to make a timed cut, and I'm going to try to demonstrate the difference between cuts here, where I'm going to rock the saw or just cut straight through. Well, I hope that gives you a little better understanding of what's going on and why to make a cut straight through the log instead of rocking it back and forth. It's just an inefficient way to make a timed cut. Now, I'm not talking about working out in the woods. That's a whole different thing. I rock the saw a bit too. It's easier on the body because you're not out there holding it, you're not modulating the pressure, all that type of stuff. And of course, sometimes you need to cut the backside, offside, and come up. Totally different deal than actually getting out there and working. It's not the way to get a good comparison of one saw to another, or even one chain to a different one. It's just inconsistent, it's not efficient, and it's not repeatable. I've been doing this for a long time. I have a pretty good grasp on how to do this now. I got it down pretty good.